Okay, so our number again is 1,241. So we have 1,000s cube in the thousands, 2 in the hundreds. If we're going to put in expanded notation, there's going to be a 200 below, plus how many in our tens, Kalia? Let's see. Oh, you got 4 there. Good job, Kalia. 10, 20, 30, 40. Kalia, is down here in my expanded notation, am I going to have a 4 or am I going to have a 40?
40.
What do you think, Kalia?
40.
40. Good. You're going to have a 40 down here because expanded notation is just pulling the number apart. It's like a slinky. And then in last but not least, in the one spot, you're going to have a ones cube. One lonely cube there. Good job, Noah. Good job, Rahab. Good job, Kinsley. Nicely done. Yep, you have a 1 at the end there. So again, if you're going to put it all back together, it's going to equal 1,241. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, let's get rid of that one. We're going to try another one. Our next one, oops, my screen jumps. It's going to be 2,575. 2,575. How many in the thousands place? How many going to be in the hundreds, tens, and then ones? So make sure you put it on your board.
In the thousands place, there's just a 2.
2 what?
2,000. So in expanded location, or however you pronounce it.
Good.
Then it would be 2,000.
Be 2,000. Good job. Okay, so we have 2,000 cubes. Now we need a 2,000 down here.
Right.
Yep.
That's
add. Good job, Kalia. Expanded notation. Yeah, no, it's a big one. Yep, you're right. Expanded notation. And then you have in the hundreds, you have, Kalia said we have 500s.
Right.
500s. I saw her board. And down below, Kalia, is it going to be, what's going to be in our expanded notation? In our hundreds? 5 or 500?
500.
500. Good job. 500 plus, how many in our tens, Kinsley? How many in our tens, Kinsley?
7.
7. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So then in the expanded notation, Elena, is it going to be 7 or is it going to be 70 down below? 7 or 70, Elena?
70.
70. Good job. That's not easy. This is a harder skill. I'm telling you right now, there's no other first grade classroom right now that's doing this. So you're the only first grade classroom that's working on this skill together. So 5, we already know this one. 1, 2.
I had a cousin
4,
named
5.
Jordan, and she's 6 years old like me, and she's in first grade like me.
I love that. Thank you for sharing, Kinsley. Okay, if you have 2,575, that is what it's going to equal. So if you were to put it together, it'd be 2,000, 575. That's what it's going to look like. Okay. Okay, we're going to do one more together because we have a little bit more time. Well, you know what? You guys have this. I don't know if we should do it again. Let's try another. We're going to try a word problem instead. You guys have been doing phenomenal at this. Okay, so we have word problems today, kind of like we did yesterday. The one thing is Sal has 8 more magazines. So we know the number 8. So we're going to pull up the number 8. Okay. So he has 8 more magazines than Gemma. Sal has 15 magazines. Oops. 15 magazines in total. I can write. Try this again. 15 in total. How many magazines does Gemma have? So if we know that Sal has 8, how many more? What's the missing number? We need to know the missing number. So 8 plus 15 is what? So put the 8 in your head and count up to 15. 8, 9. Good job, Elena. Good job, Kalia.
Maybe like 7.
Okay, you think it's 7, Zayden?
Yes.
Okay, so if we put, I see that Elena has hers there. Kalia's still working on it. Kinsley's counting. Ah, Rakhov says 7 too. So your consensus. Let's see. Oh, Kalia says 7 too.
7.
Oh, Kalia and Kinsley say 7. Okay, let's come up with our own right now because I think you guys have this. So let's come up with the one by our own. So if Kinsley has 8 cookies and in total, and Kalia gives her 10 more cookies, how many cookies is Kinsley going to have all together?
I think 18 because 8 plus 10 equals 18.
Okay.
18.
Oh, Kinsley thinks 18 too. Yeah, we're going to keep going. Hang on. Noah thinks 18. Ding. We'll see what we get. Oh, we got 18. Raghav got 18. Elena's still working. Good job, Raghav. Good job, Elena. Nicely done. Good job, Kalia. And keep in mind, you can always do it, like our 10s and 1s. So if we have our 10s in one spot and you want to add this way, because it's easier to see, you can do it that way too, as a reminder.
Yes, Maria. I can't see you. I can't see you.
You can't see me? You can't see my screen?
Yeah. No. I can't see your face.
Oh, it's because of the app. I'll pop on here really quickly, Kinsey, before we leave, okay? Okay. Okay, let's try again. Let's look at Noah has 8 cookies. And let's see here. Zayden is going to give Noah 5 more cookies, but then Kinsley is going to give Noah 4 more cookies. How many cookies is Noah going to have all together?
Maybe like if 8. Well, maybe we could start adding the 5 parts of 2, 8 and 5.
Okay, you want to add 8 and 5 together? You can do that.
Yes. I just remove the 5 and count what's rest.
Okay, you can do it that way. Oh, Noah says 17. Elena, go for it. I see your hand pop up. It's what? Say again really quickly, Lena.
13.
You have 14?
13.
13. You see 13? It's all over the place here. Okay, so we have a 13. I saw a 17. Noah, what do you have? I thought I saw a 17 on your board.
I also saw I did 17.
Oh, okay. Kalia said, I get what you're saying. Oh, okay. Okay, so Kalia says 8 plus 5 is 13. I need to clarify. So Elena thinks 8 plus 5 is 13. I misunderstood, Elena. So 13 and then plus 4. Got you. Oh, Elena, that's
I'm done.
Perfect, Rahab. I love that, Elena. I misunderstood you. So I love that you clarified and showed me your work. Fabulous job. Okay, so if you take 8 plus 5, that equals 13. Okay, let's do one more because you guys are doing phenomenal work. Okay, ready? Here we go again. Let's see. Good job, Kinsley. Elena has 10 cookies. And Kalia is going to give her 10 more cookies. And then Raghav is going to give the group, it's going to give 5 more cookies. How many cookies are you going to have all together for the group?
25.
Oh, how'd you get that, Zayden?
Because I was adding the 10 times 10 because like 10 plus 10
25.
equals 20 and the 20 plus 5 equals 25.
Oh, my goodness, I think Kinsley, how did you do it? Good job, Zayden. How did you do it, Kinsley?
Because I counted with my hands and I went 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So it's 25.
I love that. Okay. Oh, I see that Kalia. Good job, Kinsley. Kalia did the 10 and the 10, and she made that 20, and then added the 5. Looks like Noah did very similar. Good job, guys.
27.
I did 25.
29.
I did 25.
It is 25. Good job. And I see Elena did the same thing we did up here with the 20 plus 5.
Oh, the 25 plus 5 is 30.
Oh, so if I add another 5, so I had 25 plus another 5, what would that be?
30.
30. Kinsley says 30. Oh my goodness. So if I have 30, wait a minute, let's try this really quickly. If I have 30 cookies now, because there's a lot of cookies, I am gonna just sleep all break if I'm having 30 cookies a day. And then I'm gonna have to work out a lot. Because that's a lot of cookies. I'm gonna get cookied out. Okay, so we have 30 plus, I know, plus 10 more cookies. And then how if I add in 7 more cookies? Good job, Dana.
If you add 10, then you will get 40. So probably, and if you add that to 7, then that should be 47.
Oh.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I agree.
You
It
agree,
is that
Kinsley? Okay. You agree because you add the 30 and the 10 and you get 40, and then you add another 7 to it and then you get 47. That makes a lot of sense. Good job, guys.
And this number is 47.
47. Oh my goodness.
If you add
Phenomenal. Okay, guys.
that
That's all I have for you to